working for the Village of Lake Delton on a channel revetment down here in Wisconsin Dells. We're stabilizing approximately 2,000 feet of drainage way. We started the project 2 weeks ago. We cleared all the trees, took care of the stumps that were in our way. Riverview Construction has done these stabilization projects in the past. The biggest challenge to these projects, number one, is weather. Trying to get the project complete during favorable weather months is key. We're operating on a 10-foot wide path. One of the problems we would have is trying to carry these heavy loads of rock that far without building a haul road. And then how do we turn around and dump and come back?
There's a lot of limited access job sites. There's all kinds of applications where you can't get a typical dump truck in or an articulated haul truck. The Terramac product presents us some solutions for some of our customers that are working in tight areas where they need low ground pressure and they need a rotation style dump truck. The Terramac product represented a perfect solution for this application.
With the Terramac, not only can we turn sideways to dump, we can also do a 180 or a full 360. So that really allows us to maneuver in the tight spots, get in, get out, dump, and get back for another load. Not having to build a haul road, we probably saved a good week on the project schedule.
One of the nice things about this machine is the low ground pressure, the ease of maintenance, and the ease of training operators to run this machine in a rental application.
The Terramac is a versatile machine due to its ability to rotate. The big key to this project was the low ground pressure.
Last week we did have a lot of precipitation. On a normal case, the job would have been shut down, but with the low ground pressure allowed us to carry through those rough spots with no problem. We're dealing with a 1-to-1 and 2-to-1 slopes on this project. Presented an extra challenge for us. Getting equipment down those kind of slopes, we definitely needed a track type carrier.
One of the interesting aspects of this product is local parts, local service. The machines are manufactured here in the USA. Their staff is very helpful and knowledgeable about their machines. They assist us in getting on the right applications and getting the right machine to the job site.